really busy lately, because I've been recording some stuff and working on projects and stuff. I would like to talk about my experience, my very first experience at a professional recording studio yesterday, and I wanted to die from embarrassment. It was so upsetting. I was so embarrassed. Ugh. The stomach rumbling incident. My goodness. Okay, so what happened was I woke up and I had an onigiri, which normally lasts me quite a while, but I forgot that recording takes up a lot of energy, so I get hungrier easily. But then the incident happened. I was recording and I could feel the stomach rumbling coming. You know, before it rumbles, you feel like that gurgle inside your stomach. My stomach rumbled and it was very loud. And then there was this really awkward silence. And then the engineer, there was this awkward silence, and then the engineer was like, 大丈夫ですか? お腹鳴いてますけど. Which in translation means, are you okay? Your stomach's rumbling. And I'm like, no! I was so embarrassed. That must have been so loud. Yes! I think when you record, there's already a little bit of reverb on it. So it was just a reverb. An extra reverbed stomach grumble that was so loud. My goodness.